Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Tech Pathshala. This is Shubhangini Singh, and in this video, we will be discussing the syllabus for General English paper for the exam of UKPSC Polytechnic Lecturer. So, let's begin. A very important point to keep in mind before starting the syllabus discussion is that this paper of General English सिर्फ उन्हीं candidates के लिए applicable है who have applied for the post of lecturer of physics, chemistry, mathematics, modern office management and secretarial practice. Okay. Starting with the very first topic, terms commonly used in official communication. Official communication is also known as formal communication. Words that we hear often but do not know that are part of the formal communication, like meeting, agenda, memo, active listening, feedback, all are part of formal communication और यही आपके पेपर में पूछे भी जाएंगे. Second topic, direct and indirect narration. Direct narration means जैसा है वैसा बोल दो. Indirect narration means जो आपको समझ आया है वो बोल दो, अपने वर्ड्स में बोल दो. Voice, active voice and passive voice. यहाँ पे भी subject और verb के बीच में synchronization बिठानी होती है. That's it. Articles, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions and question tags. All these topics will form the base of your English grammar. So these topics are very important and maximum number of questions इन्हीं topics में से आने वाला है. Synthesis. Synthesis of sentences into simple, compound and complex sentence. A very easy topic अगर आपको एक बार समझ आ जाए तो. Correct use of tenses. Basic tense तो हम सभी को पता है. Past क्या होता है, present क्या होता है और future क्या होता है. We also know कि simple tense क्या होता है, continuous tense क्या होता है, perfect tense क्या होता है. But उनका correct use is, it sometimes becomes tricky, but with practice and a good understanding of the topic of tenses, it can be done easily. Next is one word substitution. This is one of the easiest topics according to me आपके syllabus का. Words such as philanthropism or patriotism are all part of one word substitution. यानी कि अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द. Moving on to other part of the syllabus. Synonyms, antonyms and homonyms. Synonyms का मतलब similar meaning वाले words. Antonyms का मतलब opposite meaning वाले words. और homonyms का मतलब ऐसे words जिनकी spelling तो same होती है but meaning different होता है. Use of correct prepositions. Prepositions वो words जो noun की place को बताते हैं उनको preposition बोलते हैं. ठीक है? और उनका correct usage जानना बहुत important है, which is also a part of your syllabus. 10th topic जो हमारा आता है, that is subject verb agreement. The building block of a sentence is subject verb agreement. If you understand this, your doubt and fear of English will go away. Subject verb agreement, if you understand this properly. Correction of sentences. You will be given a few sentences and उसमें आपको faults ढूंढनी है, उनको correct करना है. So this is also one of the easier topics of your syllabus. Idioms and phrasal verbs. Idioms and phrasal verbs हम बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. This is also an interesting topic. And हमारा last topic, the easiest one, comprehension. All the answers will be given to you in the passage. You just have to look for them. You have to have good comprehension skills for doing the comprehension correctly and aptly. इसमें आपको parameters जिन पे टेस्ट करा जाएगा, they will be familiarity with the vocabulary, knowledge of the fundamentals of English grammar, and thematic understanding of the passage. This was your whole syllabus. Syllabus बहुत कम है and it is very easy. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, very, very doable. ओके, सो हम एक स्पेशल बैच स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं फॉर द पेपर ऑफ जनरल इंग्लिश. सो इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन दैट बैच, प्लीज स्कैन दिस QR कोड एंड जॉइन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड वहाँ पर आपको कोर्सेज में हमारा इंग्लिश का बैच मिल जाएगा. So I really do hope that I see a lot of you there, and thank you so much for watching the video till here. Good night.